Hello friends, I am Dr. Brijesh Baria and today's topic is hypothyroidism and pregnancy. Everybody knows that during pregnancy there is a lots of physiological changes happens in mother's body. Now mother needs more nutrition and the hormones for the development of the new baby. So true for the hormones, and mother needs more thyroid hormone too for the development of the body and the mind of the baby. All know that the hypothyroidism is the common thyroid problem in females. So hypothyroidism in pregnancy brings a special attention to us. If we neglect or if we avoid the control of thyroid disease during pregnancy, we can face many risks. The risk like the PIH, that's a pregnancy induced hypertension. The mother have more chances of developing hypertension during the pregnancy. The mother can face the chances of more anemia, means low hemoglobin level. Mother can also have more chances of PPH, that's a postpartum hemorrhage. That means mother bleeds more during labor and after the labor. That's a dangerous sign. The mother can also give birth to a low birth weight baby, or there may be a spontaneous abortion, or the baby may die in womb. So these are the few risk factors involved if we neglect the role and the control of the hypothyroidism during the pregnancy. So what we can do better to avoid such risk factors? For that, we need to be vigilant, and the early assessment of the hypothyroidism is essential. Only early assessment of the hypothyroidism brings us the need of the change in the dose of the thyroxine tablet or starting of the hypothyroidism tablet. As soon as a mother confirms the pregnancy, she immediately go to hospitals or the laboratory to check the thyroid test. The test is the TSH and the free T4 level. If mother is already suffering from the hypothyroidism, she should also confirm the thyroxine TSH level and the T4 level at the start of the pregnancy, because now the demand is going up and she may have an uncontrolled thyroid level. So it is advisable that during the first half of the pregnancy, means on first 4 to 5 months, a mother should undergo for the thyroid hormone test every monthly, and on the later the second half of the pregnancy, mother should go for the TSH and the T4, the thyroid test, every 1.5 month or the 2 month, to check whether the thyroid is in control or not, and if it is not, then we have to change the medication. So as the pregnancy brings the physiological changes, the thyroid hormones level and the demand surge up, we need to increase the dose of the thyroxine tablet in case of hypothyroidism. And in that case, either we can increase the dose of the tablet, or we can increase the power of the tablet.